This is how I'm going to repair my nails. Hi, I'm GloryB, and this is GloryB-TV, a lifestyle channel for mature women who want to look fabulous, feel amazing, and age gracefully. Well, I've tried different things to make my nails more healthy, and they tend to go through healthy seasons and then break a lot and be really short, and kind of reacting to having polish having been on them. So I'm going to leave the polish off for a while now. Now, in the past and in other videos, I talked about how I was using a biotin supplement to help my nails grow faster and stronger, and it worked. However, the biotin also made my hair grow faster, which is not what I was going for, because with my hair being color treated, it just meant that I had to go more often and get my hair cut more often, which is being more expensive. My hair didn't grow any thicker because of the biotin. It works that way for some people and not for others, but I thought I'd take a break from the biotin and stop wearing polish for a while and file my nails down shorter. And these are the products that I'm going to use to nurture my nails and to get them more responsive to really good treatment, and hopefully they'll stop breaking and getting brittle, and they'll look nicer in the long run. A product I'm back to using is the Sally Hansen Nail Growth Miracle Serum. Now, it looks really similar to another product Sally Hansen has. So you want to make sure that you don't buy the one that's more of a nail polish. Now, this comes with a different cap, and inside they'll have this applicator top wrapped separately. They didn't have it at Ulta. They're almost always out at my local Ulta store, so I ended up ordering it online from Ulta. But it's a serum that you apply to your nails, and I don't put a drop on each nail. I just put a drop on my thumb, if I can get some out, and then I just touch it to the nail and to the skin surrounding the nail, and I take that extra bit and I put it on the other nails. Now, I didn't get much out there that time, and I do this twice a day. I do it in the morning when I'm getting ready and I'm not going to be touching anything. Now, it's not oily, so it absorbs really well, and I do it at night after I get into bed and right before I'm reading. So again, it has a chance to absorb, and I found this works really well. It's $10 for this, and when it gets to the point where it has product in the bottom, but this little thing can't reach it, because you can see it only goes down so far, I put the regular cap back on it and I turn it upside down, and I store it upside down that way, and just open it up and get some out with my finger and put it onto my nails. So I actually bought 3 bottles of this because I don't want to have to buy it multiple times, but I'll use it over a period of months, twice a day, to help the nails get stronger. The other thing I'm using is a nail oil. Now, I have this bottle of CND solar oil, and what I'm going to do is use this until it finishes. Now, you can see it comes in a bottle that's just like a nail polish bottle. I like that it has this brush, but when it ends, when I'm out of it, I'm going to make my own, and I'll tell you about that in a moment. So again, just like with the serum, I put it on the nail close to where the skin is, and just dab a little bit on. I don't go crazy with the amount I put on, and then I just rub it in. And I'll do this, say, while I'm eating breakfast and reading something, because I know myself, I will get oil on everything. That's just who I am. So if I put it on before a meal, as I'm sitting down, before I start to eat, it'll give it a chance to absorb in without making a mess. Now, like I said, when I run out, I am going to make my own oil. And there are all kinds of combinations of oils that you could put into a bottle like this. And I'll just read you a few that are a possibility. You can do any combination of these. So almond oil, avocado oil, grapeseed oil, jojoba oil, argan oil, olive oil, vitamin E oil, and rosehip oil. So right now I have avocado oil from Now Foods, and I also have this bottle of vitamin E oil that I got at CVS, and I'll use these. I might buy a small bottle of jojoba oil because more people seem to report that they get good results from their nails when that's included. And you can see it's a tiny little bottle. So, and the Now and the vitamin E don't come with a dropper. So what I'm going to use to get it into here are these little funnels. Aren't they cute? I bought a set of these. I'll have a link in the description box below the video to these little tiny funnels. I think this one is it's a set. It's got this little tiny one too. And that will make it easier to get it in the bottle without it running all over. So I'm looking forward to that. You also want to smell these oils once in a while to see if they still smell okay or if they smell rancid. If they smell rancid, pour it out, wash out the bottle really well. Let the bottle set with a drop of dish soap and water to just clean it out for a day, and put the cap on with the brush and shake it around just to clean it out. And then you can add your new oil. And that's a really inexpensive way to create your own nail oil. So I'll report back in a future video how my nails are doing with this treatment. Check out one of my other videos by clicking its image on the right side of your screen, and I'll see you in the next video.